Hi everyone, my name is Adam and today I'm going to make a lava lab experiment. In this experiment, we'll be learning about liquid density. The materials are in this experiment is water, food coloring, Alka-Seltzer, and oil. The first thing is I'm going to pour the water into the glass cup and the water will stay in the bottom because it's very dense. Now I'm going to put the oil, and then the oil will stay on top because it's less dense. Now I'm going to pour the food coloring, and I'll have to wait until it touches the water. Now I'm going to put the Alka-Seltzer, and then it's going to release the gas and it'll push the water up.